I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today.
You know what I hate? I hate down in the morning. I'm not the same person I was when I rolled up into this garage. I had the air on blast, like I was hot, and right now it's like 40, 50 degrees out here. No, Terri, I am not the same Terri I was that pulled in last night. I turned it, cranked on the car, slowly backed up, and all of a sudden I was like, wham! All this cold air blasted me in the face. I'm like, no sir, no sir. It is too early in the morning for that. Radio is blaring. I'm like, oh yeah, I am not the same Terri that pulled into this garage. Oh, look at my shirt. It's Santa Claus and little Rudolph. It looked like a butt, didn't it? It's little Santa here. Let me see. I can't get back far enough from you to show you. It's Santa Claus and Rudolph. Anyway, yeah. I am not the same Terri that pulled in last night. Oh, I had a hard time sleeping. And I'm going to blow on camera. I usually try not to, but I feel like hockey do. I had so much drainage last night, and my lungs are congested, and my stars and garters. I'm on my deathbed. But, I'm an ETO hoarder. Like, that's earned time off at my job. And I am a hoarder of that. Like, I'm selling some. Like, if you have more than a certain amount, you can sell it. And I'm selling some. I sell it twice a year. And so, like, the max you can have is like 360. Usually a couple months after I sell it, I'm backed up in the 300s. Anyway, so yeah. I wish I could change my relationship to food and money. I wish I could treat it the same as I treat my ETO at work. But I do, like, I know I have a meeting this morning. That's why I've got to go. It's a meeting that I run. And so anyway, I will call in if I know I don't have a lot of stuff. Like, if I know it's just a bunch of reports that I'm working on, I'll call in. I will call in at the drop of the hat if I don't feel good. If I just got a little scratchy throat or something, I'm like, I don't want to deal with humans today. I'll use my ETO. So, but it's still different than the way I treat my money and my food. But all right, I got to scoot. It's cold. I want to get this car restarted because I can't talk to y'all when it's not, when it's running. Okay, bye. Hi. Let's see. You know what last night's Terri did today's Terri a favor. First off, she brought us some orange and cream, some Tylenol. I got to refill my one in my office. Okay, but here's what she did. She sent us the cheese, and today's day 8. Red Leicester. Yeah, whatever that is. We're going to try it. And then I'll tell you what else Terri yesterday did. I got to remember, don't throw this in my trash can in my car. I swear I think every cheese tastes a lot like cheddar. Oh, Mom called me yesterday. She loved the sauteed onion cheese like I had yesterday. Just tastes like cheddar to me. Anyway. Yeah, we both said if that was cheese that's out on the market, we would take stock in that sauteed onion cheese. Now, I didn't microwave this. It's cold. It's been a rough morning. Anyway, it's almost noon, so it's been a rough morning. Last night, Terri wrote on here 85% times 2 pork 114 grams. So that way today's Terri can get it plugged in. So, like I said, it's not heated up. It's 2 burgers and some pork steak. I'm hungry. I never have cared about food being hot or cold or warm temperature or whatever. Because sometimes it dries food out after you microwave it. So the pork steak's good. It's from a burger. I know. Slow down. Swallow your bite, Terry. No sauce, only seasonings. So, that's what we got. And I'll see you next thing. Bye.
I'm glad I didn't talk y'all to death this morning. I'm home, and I left early. I left at 3:30 to come home. Kind of feel fevery. It's just that usual sinus junk that I get all the time. Anyway, first off, tomorrow's Red Hat Ladies. And so I haven't decided fully what I'm going to do. They're having a pirate hat making contest. So I bought a few things to decorate my hat with, or my pirate hat. And I might wear that one in and carry this one in. I started this last night. Turn the light on. I'm hoping I can get it done. I have a video. If you do a search for Terri Leist Christmas hat, you'll find the video. It's funny, it always gets busy this time of year and people are like, can you tell me how to do X, Y, Z? And I'm thinking, Lord, no. What did you do for this? I'm thinking, I ain't made this hat in about 3 years. But anyway, I need to put a little stopper here and I'll show you. So just in keeping with our Christmas theme, I thought it'd be fun. So the green for Christmas, and our hats are red, and we have purple. So we wear purple on the shoulders and red hats. So I'm going to make me a Christmas hat. I mean, it ain't done. It'll go all the way up. I'll show you when it's done. And I'm thinking I'll make like a purple star, so that way it's, Anyway, so I've got to decorate my hat. I'm not spending a lot of time on that because this is going to take a lot of time. So I'll just throw a few things on it and know that I'm not going to win. But anyway, so I'm going to work on that tonight. Like I said, my throat hurts. I'm just tired. I feel achy and fevery. And like I said, it's just this time of year. All right, so what do we have for supper tonight? And I do have my macros at the end. I have 3 eggs. And then some pork steak and some rotisserie chicken. I actually divided the chicken into tonight and tomorrow. So I did half the rotisserie chicken tonight and a whole pork steak. You'll see the amounts on my macros. That's too bright. Anyway, so chicken, 3 eggs, and pork steak. Just seasonings, no sauce. Now tomorrow for lunch, I've already made it up. I put some Alfredo. It's chicken and 93% ground beef. And I threw in some Alfredo and my cheese for tomorrow. So this bite's gonna have chicken, egg, and oh man, come back here, fella. Chicken, egg, and pork steak. One thing I don't like about doing a rotisserie chicken, I'm such a baby. I don't pick it that well, and I get bones in there, or gristle, and I chomp down like bleh. I have my hat. The decoration over there in back was sniffing it. He's like, well, what's that? What's that, Mama? So that. Did any of you guys have snow ice cream when you were kids? I'm sure if you lived in the city, you'd have to scoop the snow very fast. But growing up, we had a yard at my mom's house, and she'd go out and scoop up the snow. I don't remember everything that was in it. I know tons of sugar. There was some, all I'm saying, because this is blackberry, and this has that same texture as snow ice cream. I remember there was vanilla, and I don't know if it was pet or Pet milk. Ziggy, what are the ingredients to making snow ice cream?
Here are the ingredients.
A gallon of snow, 1 cup of white sugar, I told you, vanilla extract, and 2 cups of milk. But I think my mama used the carnation, like the canned milk. I don't know if it was evaporated milk or the sweetened condensed milk. But anyway, we used to eat that in the wintertime. I'll have to ask her if she knows the recipe. It'd be fun to make it when the nieces and nephews are in town. Let them try it. Anyway, it's a short video today. Oh, and I have, I just have my electrolytes in here. I drank a lot of water today. That warm water feels so good on my throat. It kind of was washing it all down, all that drainage. So, all right, well, I'm going to watch some stuff and crochet some stuff, and I need to get this hat done by the end of the night so I can wear it tomorrow. So I'll show you in tomorrow's video when I'm at my red hat, ladies. Bye. Here you can see my breakfast. I put my coffee in there, and that's what I ate at lunch at work. And that is my supper, and that includes everything I ate today. And here are my total macros for the day.